Have you ever asked yourself, how can I better visualize for my success? Well, in this video, I'm going over 3 simple things you can do when it comes to seeing success coming up. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Johann. And on this channel, you'll find helpful discussional topics to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Also, at any point in the video, make sure you check out the links and the show notes in the video description about today's topic, okay? Let's get started. Making and setting goals is one thing, but when it comes to actually envisioning those accomplishments in your mind, you bring those goals a new form of life. Doing this can drive your determination for the better and make the end goal oh so satisfying when you reach it. You gotta be more intentional when you're speaking to yourself. It's all about that affirmations, baby. Speak it into existence and take action. So what is affirmations? I actually did a video before about that, the meaning, and it's actually a very few examples. So definitely check out that video after you check out this one. So you can know what the fuck I'm talking about. Remember to limit, or rather block out the negative stuff that goes in your mind. For example, things like, I can't do this. I should just quit. I should just quit. You know what? Maybe I'll do it later. No! Do it now and stop that shit. Take action. Those negative thoughts can kill you mentally. And you and I know that you're way stronger than that. The next thing you can actually do is visualize that goal in your mind. Like actually have a very vivid imagery of that goal. When you look at yourself from a different point of view, your whole vision tends to change, it shifts. How would you feel when you get that reward? How would those people around you feel when you actually accomplish it? What time of day is it? Is it a Sunday? Is it a Monday? Is it a Friday? What time of the year is it? Do you envision it being completed in spring? What about in the summer? How would you present your speech on that particular day? Or taking that winning shot? The possibilities are endless, but the more details you put in that imagery, the better that shit will become. This next one is very obvious, but make sure that you write yourself down on paper to use it as inspiration. Remember why you're doing this in the first place. Why are you doing this particular thing? What drives you? What's the end goal? Why are you doing this? Write down exactly what you want to accomplish. Or better yet, you can even go even further by drawing it out. If you're into graphic design, you can create like this beautiful artwork and use it as inspiration. You can make a vision board. Just cut out a few pictures from different magazines and just plaster them on a cardboard and hang it up on your room. Put it somewhere where you can actually see it daily and kind of set you as a reminder to say, hey, this is what you're working towards. That's what I did when I got my first car. Now, I didn't really cut out pictures in magazines and had it on my wall. Instead, I actually went on Google search and I make sure every single day that I have a good glimpse of that car. That is the motivation that I need. The end goal was very clear. You wanted this particular car, you work for it, you see yourself having it, you see yourself holding the keys, you see yourself driving it. The more vivid that dream is, the more details you put into that image, the stronger that vision becomes. You know what you can do too, I just thought of it? You can actually take your phone and save some photos on that Google image. So instead of actually just looking at it, you can actually save those images, and make like a collage. Use one of those free apps and create like a collage and put it like on your wallpaper or on your lock screen wallpaper. So this way, every time you use your phone, you will constantly see that image and it will be a constant reminder to say, hey, this is what I need to do to accomplish this. Doing all of this shows that you're taking the small steps you need to bring those visions to life. No! Almost knocked down my damn camera. I was gonna cry, I was gonna sob. This way you can actually use it as, this way you can actually, well, in this video, I'm going over 3 simple things. No. The video, make sure you take out the gibberish and speak English.